Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning some new verbs. Are you ready, kids? I want is ke batla.
Ke batla.
I like is ke rata.
Ke rata.
And I need is ke tloka.
Ke tloka.
Abuti, how do we say I want water?
Ke batla metsi.
And how do we say I want food?
Ke batla dijo.
And how do we say I like water?
Ke rata metsi.
And I like food?
Ke rata dijo.
Now, how do we say I need water?
Ke tloka metsi.
And I need food?
Ke tloka dijo.
So, I want is ke batla. I like is ke rata. And I need is ke tloka. And now you can use these verbs to build sentences. Goodbye, Abuti.
Salas intle.